Hello, and welcome to my video content accusation podcast about percents. To get started, I want you to start thinking about ratios. A ratio is a number over another number. Today we will be learning how to use the properties of multiplication when given a ratio to get a percent. On your screen, on the bottom left-hand side, it shows a ratio. On the bottom right-hand side shows a percent. First, identify the whole number. This is the number in the denominator. Remember, a numerator is the top number. The denominator is the bottom number. The whole number is also considered the denominator. Here we have a ratio of 4/20. Second, we need to divide the 100 by the whole number, which is the denominator. Remember, our denominator is 20. So we need to take 100 divided by 20. Take a moment. What is 100 divided by 20? 5. Good job. Third, take the answer that you just got in the last step and multiply both sides, the numerator and denominator, by that number. So 20 times what equals 100? What did we find? That was our 5 that we got last time. So what we do from the bottom number, we have to do for the top number. So 4 times 5 equals what? It gives us 20, right? So our new ratio is 20/100. Remember, what you do to one side, you have to do to the other. Lastly, the number you found for your new numerator is your percent. So ours was 20% because it was 20/100. Sometimes percents can have decimals too. Here's an example. 6/20. This is our ratio. I want you to find if we need to use decimals or if we need to use just a whole number to find 20 times something equals 100. What is our times something? Take a moment. It'd be 5. What do you do with this 5? What more to the equation do you need? Correct. What we do at the bottom number, we have to do with the top number. So 6 times 5 equals what? It would equal 30/100, which would give us 30%. Over here in the right-hand side is a non-example of how to use the properties of multiplication when finding a percent. Always stick with this method. We did not need a decimal for this problem. Let's try one with a decimal. Here we have a ratio of 27/34. What do we need to multiply 34 by to get it to evenly go into 100? Think carefully. It'd be times 2.94. What is 27 times 2.94? It would give us 79.38/100, which would give us 79.38%. What is the takeaway from this? When given a ratio and you want to find the percent, Make sure to use properties of multiplication correctly.